question number here we have October 15, 11 variant question number 8. We have given first term is 4x, second term is x square. Okay, so first term is t1 is 4x, and second term is t2 is x to power 2. So in case if progression is arithmetic progression, so it means AP. So common difference is in case where progression is arithmetic, but the common ratio is 12. 12 means a second term minus first term equal to 12. Finds possible values of x and corresponding a third value. So the first part, I think, so we can do inshallah easily. According to situation, he said that common difference is given by him is 12. So it means that you know it very well, t2 minus t1 is equal to 12. So in this sense, second x square minus 4x is equal to 12. And bring 12 here. So is it clear? So 12 was a 12, 6 to the 12. I'm going to factorize, or you can apply quadratic formula, or factorization is the best way to do this kind of question. And I'm getting what here? I'm getting here x plus 2 and x minus 6. So two possible answers I can get it. I can get from here -2 and 6. So he said give two possible values of x. And so we have done it. And read it. So he find possible values of x and the corresponding values of third term. And all of you know we have two techniques to get it in case of x is -2 and if in case of x 6. So what is the second term? You know it very well. Basically, what is the basic criteria of AP? If first term is a, second term is what? By adding d, I get a plus d. How to get next term? Again plus d, add, I get a plus 2d. So I think plan is very clear. It means if I'm looking for third term, t3, so what I will do in second term in t2, if I add common difference, like as you know in second term, if I add common difference, I get third term. So simple plan. So second term is very clear, x square, which is -2. So -2 to power 2, second term. And common difference, you know, is 12. And I get here 16. So T3 is 16. And what about other situation? So third term equal to second term plus common difference. Second term is again square of x. So it means 36. And common difference is 12. 36, 36 plus 12 is give us 48. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So I hope so. You got the first point is very, very clear. So we have done it, the first part. And first part, he was asking us find out the third term. And we have done it here. Let's go talk about the next plan. Part number 2, he's asking us. Part number 2, he's asking for each case, for the case where the progression is geometric, with the sum infinity is 8. Sum infinity is 8. So find the third term. So let's apply same data applicable on this, because this is the top title of the both questions. So both parts. So it means sum infinity is 8. So sum of infinity is given by him is 8. Whereas T1 is a 4, x, and T2 is x to power 2. Let me recheck. Yeah, correct. And what is the sum infinity formula? All of you know it, a upon 1 minus r. So S infinity is 8, a is first term, which is a 4x, and 1, and common ratio, how to get common ratio? Second term T2 divided by T1. When I divide, so second term is x square, first term is 4x. And I'm getting r is equal to x upon 4. So here I'm writing here x upon 4. So take LCM under the denominator. I get 4 LCM, and I get a 4 minus x. And then it flips, you know, 1 by, this is a 3 by 2. So this always flips. So 2 by 3. So this 4 will go up, and we got what? We got a 16x over 4 minus x. Now cross multiply, it multiply with there, and I get what? 8 4 is 32, and 8x is equal to 16. And I got this 16, and it's become 24x is equal to 32. So if I check it from here, x value what? It's very clear. 32 by 24. 24, 8 fours are 8 threes are. So wait a minute, I check again. 8 fours are 2 fours, 2 threes are. So it means 8 4 times, 8 3 times. So 4 by 3, yeah, is my x value. This is done. Now what is asking for? He's asking for not x value. He's asking for what? That to find the third term. So let's how to find third term. So I'm going to do now third term here. Third term here. So how to get third term? As I said before, third term is, as we know, this by adding, we get next terms. And here by multiplying, for example, first term is a into r, I get ar. How to get third term? Into r, I get ar square. It means, can I say t2 times to r? Yes, I can say. And t2 is what? You know it, x square times to common ratio. And x, I got 4 by 3. I'm keeping it here. So 4 over 3 whole square. And common ratio, we know it x upon r. When this value comes here, so when I keep it 4 by 3 over 4, so become 1 by 3. And ultimate answer is coming 16 over 9. Sorry, 27, sorry, 27. Because square of 3 into 3, you got a 27. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. If you don't like this technique, I can go other formula. What is the formula that? Like here we have a Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. If I'm looking for a third term, I replace here 3 and here 3. This is another way. And same approach here. If I'm looking for the third term, I will use this formula Tn is equals to a r to power n minus 1. No problem at all. So I hope so the concept is very, very clear and the question is finished.